Well, among many points, defense attorneys said that statements made by the former police commissioner, mayor, and state's attorney inflame passions. They believe that some people view the officers as poster children to take out their anger and frustration, but the judge sided with prosecutors and the trials will be held here in Baltimore. Attorneys for the 6 officers accused in the death of Freddie Gray are talking directly to the people of Baltimore after losing the battle to move the trials out of the city.
We ask you to listen to the entire story, and we ask you to honestly figure out what happened in that van.
The defense argued many factors poisoned the jury pool. They talked about the intense media coverage and the riots, which ushered in the National Guard and citywide curfew. Defense attorneys also brought up the $6.4 million settlement the city reached with Gray's family, which they characterize as an admission of guilt. That settlement has also drawn criticism from the president of the police union.
Any officer believes, as Gene Ryan is saying, that it's a lack of support, and in the settlement implicates their guilt, they can come in, they can opt out of it. None of them have done it.
Prosecutors argued that no one knows what's on the mind of potential jurors until they're asked. Judge Barry Williams agreed and was also unconvinced that media or community leaders influence opinions here in Baltimore more than anywhere else.
This has been played out over the whole world. I mean, it's something that's been going on across the whole United States with police officers been having interaction with black men, and some died, and this is just another example. So I think we just have to look at it for what it is. It happened, and it needs to stay here.
The key ruling has put the Baltimore Police Department on notice.
We've taken care of the technical challenges and the training and the equipment, so the next challenge ahead for the BPD is how do we better partner with these protest groups.
Trial dates haven't been set. And after the hearing, the defense attorneys took prosecutors to task, saying that the state left out crucial and important facts about what happened to Freddie Gray. Reporting outside Courthouse East, Vanessa Herring, WBAL TV 11 News.